Ever wondered how Norwegians manage to pay for their coffee without breaking a sweat? No, they're not wizards, and it's not cash. The answer lies in a little app called Vipps. But what exactly is Vipps? Is it a magic money portal, a Norwegian unicorn, or something entirely different? Let's dive in. Imagine a world without wallets. Sounds impossible, right? Well, in Norway, it's becoming a reality, thanks to Vipps. It's more than just a payment app, it's a lifestyle. Think of it as your digital wallet, your personal banker, and your social connector, all rolled into one. But how does it work? Picture this, you're in a cozy cafe, enjoying a warm cup of coffee. When it's time to pay, you simply open your Vipps app, scan a QR code, and voila! Payment complete. No fumbling for cash, no waiting for change. It's that simple. But Vipps is about more than just paying for coffee. You can send money to friends, split bills, pay for online shopping, and even donate to charity. It's like having a personal finance manager in your pocket. And the best part? It's secure. Your money is as safe as it would be in a bank, if not safer. Now, let's talk about the impact of Vipps on Norwegian society. It's not just about convenience, it's about changing the way people interact with money. With Vipps, Norway is leading the way in cashless societies. This means fewer robberies, less paperwork for businesses, and a more efficient economy. It's a win-win for everyone. But Vipps isn't without its challenges. While it's incredibly popular among young people, there's still a segment of the population that prefers cash. This digital divide is something Norway is working to bridge. Additionally, issues like data privacy and security are always at the forefront. So, is Vipps the future of payments? It's hard to say for sure. But one thing is clear, it's revolutionizing the way Norwegians manage their money. And it's a model that other countries are watching closely. From humble beginnings as a mobile payment solution, Vipps has grown into a cultural phenomenon. It's more than just an app, it's a symbol of Norway's tech-savvy and forward-thinking approach to finance. So, the next time you're in Norway, don't be surprised if you see people tapping their phones instead of reaching for their wallets. It's Vipps in action. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll be able to use something similar in your own country. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.